Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to log in to Usaa Bank on a mobile app. First, open the Play Store. Here, search for Usaa Bank. Make sure to download the application on your mobile device. Then, go back to the home screen. Open the app you have just downloaded. If you haven't yet enrolled for mobile banking, you can just tap the Join Usaa button. Otherwise, you can just directly tap on the Login option. Here, first add your online ID. After that, add your password to continue your login process. This is how your Usaa account will be logged in on a mobile app. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.